Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JLab headphones and today I'm going to show you how to install this app for an Android phone and how to set up them with it. At first we have to enter Play Store and here search. After that we have to search for JLab and here, as you can see, we have our application. We have to tap install. It may take a while, don't worry. It is based on our internet connection. I do have it very poor, so don't worry. Now, once our app is installed, we have to tap open. Before the process of pairing our headphones with our app, we have to, just to make sure, connect with our headphones using Bluetooth. As you can see, I am now. So, let's begin. We have to tap on earbuds, allow nearby devices access, allow, and now we have to scroll down until we see JBuds Mini. We have to tap on it, and that is the whole process. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.